Hi guys, so let's warm up a little bit and then I will show you the movement of bow. So let's start. This is the end movement of eagle that we showed you last time. Now the bow. The bow's what is the bow's arm? Bow's arm is his head and his horn, two horns. So we will imitate two paws, two hands as the bow's two horn, and our head is the bow's head. So in both movements there is nothing for jumping and nothing for kick. We just use our head and the two paws. Okay, let's see. I won't explain during my exercise. Okay, let's go. Three main movements for all the characters. Okay. Shaolin 13 Paws. Both movement. Okay, I will show you slowly. So I will lift my left leg and put down my left paw. And then I will step ahead and step with right leg and use my head and two paws to push ahead. From this side, again, from the right side. From right, left, and then I will step back, and then I will turn my paw and okay, look at the game. Observe carefully. The second time, we will lift our right leg. Then we will pull back two paws. And then put on the chest. So when we put like this. Look at it again. Three main movements. Okay, I will move to that direction. Observe carefully. Lift, head and two horns. So you might find that I just use my two horns and head one time. That's also correct. If you want, use one time, or three times, or five times, so single times. Okay, let's let me do again. Just one time. Now I will push three times with head and two horns. Second time, third time. Okay, I will show you slowly. So one time I will show you this, and when I explain that way, I missed one movement. So we will push like this firstly, and then second time like this. So I show you again. After this movement, we will push the fingers down, bottom and up. So bottom up, bottom up, bottom up, bottom up. So take a look again. This is why I said yesterday, when I do the exercise, I should not speak. When I talk, I will miss some movements, or I will make mistake, linguistic mistakes. So I will move a little bit quickly. Ha! 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 Quickly again. So I will do some cool down. So after warm up, we will do main exercises of horn, of bull, and then we will do some exercise for the cooling down. So thank you for today. Bye bye. Ha! 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 Ha!